Hello tech lovers, today's video is on HS700E drone. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular side, or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on this drones. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comment section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. The Holy Stone HS700E drone is an excellent choice for people seeking a top-quality drone that is capable of handling many flying. With its top-of-the-line features and user-friendly controls, this drone is great for anyone looking to get started flying. This particular drone is full of great features. Let's discuss those things. It is about 14.96 inches in length and 9.06 inches in width, 4.92 inches in height when it is expanded. And it is 12.36 inches by 11.14 inches by 6.46 inches when folded. It has got one unique and common design. It has a new design concept, and this drone is equipped with current many advanced technologies of drones. Its design has made it effective and a performance monster in short. Its electronic image stabilization technology minimizes blurring of video and makes transmission of video more secure. It makes use of pixels beyond the boundaries of the frame in order to serve as a buffer to accommodate shifts in direction. This 5 GHz transmission lets you to take amazing, fast-paced images. A 90-degree adjustable camera with a 130-degree FOV lens will record a wide-angle view of each precious moment. It gives you virtually infinite viewing. The Holy Stone HS700E is a drone that features a 7.6-volt 2,800 mAh lithium battery. This battery has been designed to meet the needs of drone enthusiasts and professionals, and is perfect for use in high graphics applications or when you need to fly longer distances. With this battery, you can fly your drone for longer periods of time without having to worry about running out of energy. Now it is time to discuss various functions of the Holy Stone HS700E drone. Drones offer a new way to view the world. They make it easier for you to see things that weren't possible before. For example, you can now see things in close-up and with greater clarity than ever before. With Drone 360 laser obstacle avoidance, you can avoid obstacles and get a better view of your surroundings. With 5 GHz, that is 5 GHz, you will experience smoother and more clear image transmission. 5 GHz frequency allows speedier data transfer, which makes it ideal for the transfer of audio and video signals. In addition, the radiation of 5 GHz is lower than other frequencies, meaning you'll be protected when using 5 GHz frequency. With a top quality frames per second, video will be able to comfortably meet a variety of requirements. If you require a speedy film experience or stay up to date with the latest media, 1080 pixel 60 frames per second is the best option for you. With a frame rate this level, your videos will look stunning and appear more real. Are you always on the go? Well, now you can take your drone with you wherever you go. With Follow Me mode, your drone will stay in its current location and follow you as you move. This is perfect for tracking down a specific destination or following someone else around. The HS700E drone is perfect for professionals who need to get professional images quickly and easily. The drone circles around your chosen point, making it easy to get the shots you need. If you're in search of a motor that is brushed to help your car run more efficiently and more peacefully, take a look at the 4 motors with brushless technology included in this bundle. With their efficiency high and low levels of noise, they are able to tackle the majority of tasks effortlessly. In addition, their small dimensions mean they don't require a lot of space in your workshop or garage, ideal for drivers on the go. The Holy Stone HS700E drones are easy to use and return home. With an auto-return function, you never have to worry about your drone getting lost again. Additionally, the HS700E is small and lightweight, making it perfect for use indoors or out. Flight time is 23 minutes per battery, so you can travel the world without fear of running out of power. Flight time is the only travel charger for your electric devices that uses 24-bit technology to ensure reliable charging. With the broader views lens with 130 as well as an adjustable mount that allows for wider view photographs to provide a more immersive and real experience. This can help you get unique perspectives that are otherwise challenging or even impossible using traditional methods of photography. As it is equipped with its two navigation devices and sensors, the drone is able to fly with greater stability, thus reducing the risk of losing. If the drone loses power or signal, it will activate the return home function. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this device. The pros are, the HS700E drones are that they are very affordable. They have high flown rates. They are easy to fly. They can be used for a variety of purposes. The cons are, the HS700E drones include that they are not as stable as other drones. They can take a lot of abuse. The Holy Stone HS700E drones are an ideal choice for those searching for a simple to fly, high-flying, and easy-to-control drone that is able to handle every situation. With its incredible range and stability, the drone is great for photography and filming in all conditions. If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related, informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.